What are some common YouTube SEO mistakes and solutions? Businesses make several common mistakes when optimizing their YouTube videos for SEO. Here are some of the most common. Number 1. Not including keywords in the title or description. To rank your video for specific keywords, you need to include those keywords in the title and description of your video. Number 2. Not using tags. Tags are like keywords for your video. They help YouTube understand your video and can also help it appear in search results. Number 3. Not optimizing the thumbnail image. The thumbnail image is one of the first things people see when they come across our video, so it's important to ensure that it's attractive and relevant to the video. If you're not good at making attractive thumbnails, you can hire an expert designer for this task. Number 4. Not promoting the video. Just because you've uploaded a video doesn't mean people will automatically find it. You must promote your video through social media, email marketing, and other channels. It will help people find our videos and increase their chance of watching them. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos daily, related to online business challenges and solutions. So make sure to stay tuned. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Furthermore, visit our website www.profitiya.com for more information on how to overcome these challenges. We would love to answer any of your questions. Thanks for watching.